Hey everyone, welcome back to WebBuddy. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of smartphones with the highly anticipated OnePlus Nord CE4. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our tech-loving community. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the powerhouse performance of the OnePlus Nord CE4. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset, this smartphone promises improved CPU performance by up to 15% and a 20% boost in power efficiency compared to its predecessor. Display and camera. Next, feast your eyes on the stunning 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a silky smooth 120Hz refresh rate. While details about the camera are still under wraps, it's rumored to sport a 50MP primary camera and an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, promising to capture every moment with clarity and precision. Battery and charging. Now, let's talk about endurance. The OnePlus Nord CE4 boasts a massive 5500 mAh battery, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day. And with 100W SUPERVOOC charging, just a 15-minute charge can keep you going for hours. Storage and RAM. Storage won't be a concern with up to 256GB onboard storage, UFS 3.1, and 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM. Plus, OnePlus is throwing in an additional 8GB of virtual RAM to supercharge your multitasking experience. Expected price and specifications. Alright, let's talk numbers. The OnePlus Nord CE4 is expected to be priced under 30,000 rupees, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. Here's a quick rundown of the expected specifications: a 6.78-inch OLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, 8GB RAM plus 8GB virtual, 256GB storage, a 50MP primary camera with OIS, 8MP ultra-wide lens, a 16MP front camera, and Oxygen OS 14 based on Android 14. Conclusion. So there you have it, folks, the OnePlus Nord CE4, a power-packed mid-range marvel that's set to redefine your smartphone experience. The link to buy the product is in description box. So are you excited about this upcoming release? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.